One story I want to share with you at the beginning. I have a friend. He did a pretty good job at his work. After 2 years of hard work, he decided to leave his current group. And the reason he gave when he left the group is he wants to explore something else, something new. Few months after he moved out of the group, I got a chance to have lunch with him. And finally, he told me the truth. That the reason that he left his original group is because he was expecting a promotion because of his hard working for the past 2 years. Since he didn't get a promotion, so he left the group. And he never mentioned this to his boss or any of his group members. I'm pretty sure this is not a unique story. Maybe you are experiencing the same, considering change to another company or moving to another group because you didn't get the promotion that you think you deserve. Well, let's step back a little bit. Why we always have this kind of feeling that we feel like we should get promoted, but we didn't get a promotion and we're not happy, so we left the company. So what is causing all of this? Is there a better way to resolve this issue? So today, let me tell you what my recommendations are. First of all, you don't just start by asking for promotions or salary increase. You ask for feedback about your performance. One way you can start your conversation like this. You can ask for feedback on your overall performance. How are you doing on each project? After he gives his feedback, if it's all good, then you can ask about what other improvement you need to do in order to reach to the next level. You may even get a copy of the job description for each levels. Try to quantify, put them into a measurable matrix to help guide you when you are ready for promotion. What this helps is, this gives you some context or some directions for you to improve. The second step, once you have signaled your boss that you want a promotion or how to get to the next level, the second step you should do is have the courage. Plan it out for the ask. We don't want to feel embarrassed by asking something in our favor, like asking for a promotion. We always think we're not good enough. We have areas of improvements needed, or it's never been a good time to ask. But what I want to tell you today is that once you feel like you are ready, you need to have the courage to speak up, to openly ask for that promotion. You can start something like, boss, based on what we have talked last time, these are the key areas you mentioned that I need to improve in order for me to achieve to the next level. So for the past few months, I have done X, Y, and Z to improve in these key areas. Specifically speak out the word promotion. Let him know at this stage you are seriously considering promotion. And also think about what are the consequences. The worst case is that your boss thinks you're not ready enough and give you reasons that you might need to keep improving at certain key aspect, right? There's nothing you're going to lose. So don't beat yourself to death about speaking up of asking promotion. I guarantee it's not going to be your last day once you speak out your request. The third tip I want to share with you today regarding asking for a promotion or salary raise is be honest with yourself. Is that what you really need, or there's actually something else you want to fix? The reason I want to talk about this is I had a discussion with another friend of mine. He was overwhelmed by the amount of task and project he needs to finish. He constantly working long hours, burn his midnight oil to keep up with the project, and it has been like this for the past 6 months. So during our conversation, I was asking him what his next plan. So interesting thing is he mentioned a lot of plans like evaluating other job opportunities, but at last, he also mentioned that he wants to go directly ask his boss for a raise to compensate for the suffer or unfavorable situation that he has. But I told him, you know what? It's not a good idea. Even if he give you like 10% of raise, it's not going to solve your problem. Your actual problem is what? Maybe for him is he doesn't really like the type of work and he didn't really communicate well with his group. That's the pressure he's taking for the project. What I encourage him is do not ask for the raise and instead go to have an honest discussion with his boss, how he can improve his task in a more sustainable way, because I don't think he can keep doing like this for long because his body, his health is already being sacrificed, and I doubt it can be solved by a raise or promotion. So if you do have anything that's related, you feel like I can provide help, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I hope to see you next time.